officially nighttime. Sleeping set up here. Vita is sleeping. She's pretty comfortable. And Cody's tying on some anchovies, and we're now targeting catfish. We've got our lines in the water. It's probably 8 o'clock.
Small hook. You don't need a huge hook to catch a big fish, my friend. 2 foot, 25-pound mono to a barrel swivel. Pretty heavy bullet weight with a half an anchovy. Got one line out already. Line number 2.
Oh, damn.
What?
You hear that fish jump? Are you serious? Huge fish jumped. Yeah. Really? Okay. Cody just pulled this out. Oh my god, it's huge. Should we release him? He's so cool looking.
High five.
Nice work. It's a big guy.
Should we measure?
Yeah, measure. Nice job. This is your biggest catfish?
Look about the size of the opening right there.
He's huge. The biggest catfish I've ever seen.
That is a 31 inch. That's 31 inches. That is hella big. Monster.
Beautiful fish.
This one's hard.
Yeah. Nice job.
Give him back to life and then we'll let him go. Alright, buddy. Going free. Dude.
Nice job. That was a success.
We won't show your mom the release part. She'll be so mad. She would love the whole catfish.
Yeah, apparently they make really good soup with fish heads.
I was right in the middle of taking a sip of beer when the bell started ringing. Just grabbed that thing real quick and pulled on it. It was a good old 17-pound catfish on there. And then Steph came to the rescue with the net, scooped it right up. So epic. I live for this shit. Yeah. Ooh, I got a planer.
Up in the morning. And
Oh yeah.
we got the planters down. It's kind of cold.
The sun just came up 2 hours ago. It's because I stayed up till 1 trying to catch catfish. That is all right though.
We didn't really pack a breakfast. Got tomato and hot sauce. Hopefully we'll catch something we can cook.
Yeah. Crappie. We can eat that thing. Bring it in, flip it in, that's huge. Damn, look at that. That is a monster crappie. Don't let him go.
What do you guys think? Is this a good size? No! No! Oh my god, I am so hurt. Beautiful fish got away, and that's okay. Try again.
Lost our steelhead. All we have is a crappie. Trying to get at least one more fish before we anchor up. One. Woo! Shoes. Yeah. Oh, this fish is missing an eyeball. You see that?
Yeah.
Half blind.
Is there a spot that we just anchored up at? Kind of like a pan sauteed, shallots, butter, garlic. We are ready to eat.
Damn, I just dropped on the cast master, I was jigging it. What do we got? Feels good. Something heavy. Come on. Color. It's a bass. It's a nice one.
Nice.
Our fourth species.
Looks
It's
clean.
a largie. We're gonna let him swim. Let him go.
Nice.
Fish on. Go easy. Got a big one, huh? Whoa. Look at this. Need the net?
Probably just a bass, huh?
I don't know. He's tugging real good. Keep a bend in your rod. There you go. Keep the bend in your rod. Keep him away from the anchor. Where is he? Some color. It's a good one. It's a nice bass. Good job.